When we talk about accessing the past life records of an individual, there's a lot of karmic business that's involved. Um, a lot of karmic baggage that an individual is carrying from their past lives. आपके जितने भी relationships होते हैं आपके आसपास, be it in any terms, your parents, your siblings, your kids, your colleagues, your friends, or people who you meet for a rather shorter time period also in your life are all your karmic relationships, and they keep on repeating. With each passing lifetime they keep on repeating the roles, or they take on different roles. So how to basically identify कि आप एक कार्मिक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में बंधे हुए हो किसी से. आपका किसी के भी साथ एक कर्मा तब क्रिएट होगा when you will hold certain thoughts in your mind about that person, in your subconscious mind basically, about that individual. So those thoughts can either be positive or negative depending on the situation. Karmic contract per se, the term we use, is in context of when we create a negative karmic impact with another individual. मतलब कि हमने अपने सबकॉन्शियस में उस इंसान के लिए एक नेगेटिव रिस्पॉन्स क्रिएट कर लिया था in our past lives, and that is how we have created a karmic contract. And इस लाइफ में अब हमें वो सोल, वो इंडिविजुअल जो है टू क्लियर ऑफ दैट बैगेज, वो उस चीज़ को बैलेंस करने के लिए आएगा, उस सिचुएशन को बैलेंस करने के लिए आएगा. तो जो भी ग्रजेस दैट वी क्रिएट अगेंस्ट एन इंडिविजुअल, जो भी bitterness or the resentment that you end up creating towards some or the few people you meet in life, this is how you end up creating a karmic contract for yourself. So what exactly are the signs to look out for in order to identify कि आपका किसी के साथ कार्मिक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है, या आप किसी के साथ एक कर्म बंधन में बंधे हो. द फर्स्ट थिंग वुड बी, आपको उस इंसान को देख के देयर इज अनएक्सप्लेन्ड एंगर, हेट, jealousy that you feel on seeing that person, on meeting that person. मतलब अगर if the person is around in your energy system, तो you just cannot ignore the presence. You just cannot ignore the presence. And at times there's seen कि जहाँ पे karmic contracts बहुत ही major intensity के होते हैं, you meet the person for the first time in your life, and they would give you such bad vibes, bad energy you will feel around them. आपको एकदम से first time में देख के उनको you do not hit it off. So yes, that's a first sign that your karmic contracts are there. So another one is that you have left a lot of promises unfulfilled. आपने किसी से या किसी ने आपको कोई promise किया and that was not fulfilled on a soul level. Of a basic example of you said that you will marry someone, but you do not end up doing it and marry somebody else, or आपने शादी ही नहीं करी, let's say. तो there's a karmic baggage that's created, there's a karmic contract that gets created. Another is that major issues जो आजकल के टाइम पे are very prevalent is you have been duped of your money. आपसे किसी ने हेल्प ली, या झूठ बोल के ही आपसे in cases of partnerships and business stuff बहुत होता है that somebody dupes you of your money. तो वहाँ पर आपका कार्मिक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, एंड दैट पर्सन फेल्ट रियली बैड इन एवरीथिंग, वहाँ पर आपका कार्मिक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट क्रिएट हुआ है, जिसको आपको नलिफाई करने के लिए यू एंड द अदर पर्सन विल हैव टू कम इनटू अनदर लाइफ टू क्लियर दैट ऑफ. देन द थर्ड इज़ चीटिंग पर से रिलेशनशिप्स में, जहाँ पे somebody is cheating on you, एक्स्ट्रा मैरिटल अफेयर्स क्रिएट हो जाते हैं. Now not yes, a lot of extramarital affairs can be a karmic settlement score as well, but if you are doing it very consciously, then you are creating a new karmic contract with the lives involved. So yes, these are the points where जहाँ पे आपको उस कर्म बंधन को काटने के लिए दोबारा से आना पड़ेगा, or if you are already undergoing any of these points, then you can understand that this is a karmic contract that you are into, and you have to be very consciously aware of breaking the contracts or healing the contracts.